the view I'm at. Where? Simple birds flying up to the ground to a moose launching at your freaking face. Soup. Hello, buddy. My name is Deer Festival. Do the thing correctly, type thing. You know what I'm saying?
Best distance to position the microphone from your mouth.
I could give normal commentary now and it not freaking. It's me excited. They threw at me where it just came straight through my face. Alright, bro.
Hola, friend. Bye, friend.
That's you after I made that joke. Bro, you cannot throw some. Alright, y'all, we gotta stay completely quiet. The game, because y'all know how loud my chair is, right? Rip. Bro, this is impossible! Huh? Video, you know what the frick is going down today. I left something on the table. I left a little cliffhanger. I was letting him dangle for a minute. I can't now.
I thought I could have done.
Alright, bro.
Go to the room,
Bro,
no?
actually, they're already on us. Open the door!
This is my bed. This is a jank bed. Objects. I got you, homie. Good luck. Then that must.
Yeah. New shift. You're. Yes, sir. Please fix that. I don't like that. So whenever I report these problems, is there someone coming in the room and just being like, "Here you go, buddy. Let me give you a hand." For a face. Oh, what is that? Oh wait, was the lamb there before? Oh, the lamb was busting up. Okay, thank God they give you. Dude, that is freaking creepy. That got my butthole. That got over. So does that if that boy falls over, can I English like one time? Now this is kind of getting to like a serious thing, because now I'm actually like trying to focus, right? What is this? Oh my gosh! Intruder! Intruder alert! What do you mean? What do you mean? Is that? That's a wobbly dobbly. He going crazy. That's a bit. That's a spatial. Whoa! Hey! I don't know why. It's the warble dribble always gets me going brazy. I'm just like, what? Watch my voice crack within the next 30 seconds.
On everybody. So we don't necessarily need him anymore.
I'm just gonna have it here. Give me a sec.
New, welcome to the channel. If you're not new, welcome back to another channel video.
I feel like something's gonna launch up the stairs, dude. If that happens, I'm dead. If something launches up.
It looks silly.
Yeah.
Right into it, guys.
Get the commentary flowing natural and nice.
Alright. Oh, it's good evening, time to wake up. I have to read it for the deaf people. I mean, the... Oh, he's moaning. Oh, this guy's out the jump out window. And it's a toilet seat. I swear, if I come back and that toilet seat is open,
What are you gonna do?
I'm sitting on it.
Oh.
What the? My door's not open. Psh, that liar. What do I do?
What do you mean, what do you do?
What am I supposed to do? He's just standing
Kiss
there.
him! What's this kid talking about? He gave a speech. Me when I see a 12-pack of glazed donuts. This real quick, I don't want to get caught. Just as... It's a little bit easier to jump over now. That's nice. I'm liking that. 2 thumbs up from your boy. You get 3 if there was none of them. Ooh, I may do need this. Yes.